Welcome back to another video. Today we have clearance at the Home Depot. This is clearance I never seen before. But look at the price on this this sheet. It's $38.05. It keeps going up every time I see. If every time I need to buy a sheet like this, it keeps going up. And I heard it's still gonna keep going up. It's just crazy. These days lately. So, anyways. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools, make to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. So help us out. So you got two batteries there. I believe there are 3 amp hour batteries for $129. You got the impact drivers. They're still running this deal. You buy $4.99, you get $150 off. You buy $3.99, you get $80. $2.99, you get $30. And you can still hack this. So it is hackable. All these tools are hackable. So if you buy those prices, you get that percentage off and you get those deals. And you can return the batteries if that's what you want to do. We found this 224 18 fuel narrow stapler. 18 gauge crown stapler, my bad. From $279 to $224. So if you need it, pick it up because it's you can show them this video. They probably price match. They'll probably price match this this video if you guys want to show that at your Home Depot. And then you got the compressor down there. I believe it's $349 or something like that. $279 impact driver, drill driver. You still get a free battery. That's the kit right there that you have to buy so you can get that free battery. And then, like I said, a lot of people return them and return the batteries and just keep the kit. So you got a $129 for the circular saw, HP, and then $129 for the reciprocating saw, the new HP, brushless. You got the jigsaw and the angle grinder there, $119 for the angle grinder, $129 for the jigsaw. And then you got some impact drivers and an impact wrench, $159. So a lot of new tools, $3.99. This is a fuel quick lock, string trimmer and blower kit. If you guys don't know, you guys can attach different. You guys can buy different attachments for this string trimmer or the power head. $19.97 for this .095 by 250 feet trim line. Longer life cutting. Yeah, $149 for the pole saw. They ran out pretty much everything else on this section except for this pole saw. So you guys see there. Then you got the DeWalt .80. That's a nice line right there. Definitely a great price. Then you got the battery there. The flex volt battery is $159. Then you got the radio or the rover light. So those are the only ones they got left, bare bones. $119 for the rover and $149 for the radio. Then you got a blower, a job site blower. I don't know if it's $2.99. I think it's the kit. So $149 for the blower, the 450 CFM. That's not it. That's it at the bottom. They just had everything mixed up, but that's it at the bottom. And they had the flex bolt $269, 60 bolt string trimmer. I believe it does come with the kit, like with the battery and stuff. So that's a 15-inch 60 bolts. And then you got the 20 volt max brushless trimmer. I believe it's foldable, so it's like up to like 40%, less space, as in long wise. Then you got the 21 penny push mower, $3.99 with 2 10s. This is definitely worth it because you're getting 2 10s out of this. This is a 21.5, 2 18 volt batteries. And you got the string trimmer blower combo, $2.99, which is a great deal. The chainsaw tool only $2.99. Yeah, I've been thinking about getting this chainsaw, but I don't know if I want to spend $2.99. If I spend $2.99, I could probably get a lot more tools than just one chainsaw, So I'll probably just wait for another deal. If you guys recommend me another chainsaw, maybe a Makita or DeWalt, let me know down in the comment section which one do you have and if you like it. And also let me know if they leak, because I heard that these Milwaukee, they do leak oil, not fuel, oil. because they are battery operated. But yeah, I heard they leak the fuel, the oil that you put in the. So let me know in the comment sections. Which one do you use? Does your Milwaukee leak oil or does it not? Then they got this deal here, $3.99. I think this is one of the better deals. You get a free pair of fives, and you get a bit set. So if you return those, you basically get this for like $200 and something. This is a killer deal. This is the new impact driver. I believe it has like 9 modes. Then you got the hammer drill there, and so you're gonna get that for around $200 and something. So 200 and change. And those are the batteries you're gonna get for free. Like I said, if you return them, it's gonna basically cut it in half there. Not in half, but a little bit more. A little bit less than half. Those are the bits that you're gonna get. $24.97 on this deal. Either you can keep them or just return the bits. These wheels, they're running out of these wheels. That's one of the reasons why I wouldn't get this, the X line or the X of the. This is a nice kit that they have. I ended up purchasing 2 of these for the channel because you got the bigger up to 7/8 socket, and it does have more than the other kit that they sell. They're still running the buy more save more. 3 tools for you save 120. You buy 2 tools, you save 70. You buy 1 tool, you save $20. So obviously the 3 tool combo kit is gonna get you the better save, the better money. So like I said, it is hackable. You can buy the tools and return the ones that you don't want and get the maximum out of them, if that's the way you want to do it. However, this is a great deal, so I will end up keeping all of them. You got DeWalt Max Lithium 7 1/4, 162. They got that on clearance. And they got the lights there, the tri-light, the stand light. I can't talk today. It's too late. You got a 35 piece for $9.97. You got a heat gun there for $119. Then they got this on clearance. I guess they're not clearance. It's probably just like a sale. It's the DeWalt mower. That's $3.99. That's for the push mower with 210s. That is the I believe that's the self-propelled, from $149 or $549 to $4.99. So that's down $50. If that's the way you want to get it. I know I heard some people. I believe Jeff Haustroff got his for like $3.99 because they mixed up on the tag, and he just got it for that. So that was a great deal for him. Wish that was on my Home Depot, but it's not. But yeah, you do get 2 10s, 2 chargers, up to 60-minute runtime. It's a 21.5 deck, and $3.99 for the regular push mower. Then they had this on clearance. It's like a planer. It's a DeWalt planer, DW734. So from $4.99 it's down to $4.50. So it's a 15 amp planer. Then they have this box that catch my attention. I've never seen this before. It's a organizer. It says 12 compartment organizer bin. As you guys see there, and it does have some clear lids. It's individually. It has individually lids. Like it doesn't have one whole lid. Every compartment has their own lid. As you guys see there. That's the way it looks from the back. Like I said, I never seen this before. If you guys seen this before, let me know. But I don't know if this is a new tool or not. But it was by the Tough System 2.0. Then they had this on clearance. It's the 20 volt adhesive gun from DeWalt. 180 was $199. So we're knocking $20 off of it. If you guys need one, pick it up. Or look for it or price match it on your Home Depot. Then they had this Ryobi impact driver, tool only, $90 from $99. So it's down $10. That's it right there. It is brushless. And they had this. I think this is the better deal. From $369 it dropped down to $259. It's a Makita rotary hammer. It's the tool only. It's a 1-inch rotary hammer. It's not the kit. It's just. Then they had this Shockwave, a 1/2 inch SAE socket 3-piece, $12 from $14.97. I was gonna get this, but you know what? I ended up getting the Makita for $14.97, and still got that adapter and a few more sockets. But they're shorties. They're the short ones. These are the longer ones. That's understandable, but still. I ended up getting the Makitas for the channel, so we can do some tool test. Then they have this Ridgid Octane. Reciprocating Saw for $135 from $149. It is the Bluetooth, I think. That's the BL, what it stands for. And then you got the hammer drill for $180. Hammer drill kit. Yeah, they're gonna be clearance on these Ridgid tools because they're. Then they got this 5-tool combo kit. This is a really nice tool combo kit. I don't know if this is brushless or not, but it is 5-piece, $450. It was, I believe, $499. So definitely check it out. These kits are gonna drop in price. This is just crazy. Oh, and remember, guys, to subscribe and help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so you guys can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. Yeah. And also this pack out dolly, if you guys didn't see that video, make sure you guys check it out. It's on sale, I believe $59 at I forgot what other store it is, but I'll leave the link up above on the right hand corner for you guys, so you guys will see that and you guys can price match it. This was $5 black and gold bit set, 19 piece. I ended up getting this one and I still got it for $5. So if you guys see this deal, I just left one for somebody else to pick up. But I saw this, the black oxide. It was still $5. You know, they're not going to last forever. Obviously, it's not a titanium bit set. But you know what? For $5, just to have it extra, just in case there, or just give it to, the mother-in-law or whatever you want to do, or dad-in-law, whatever. And for $5, it's like a freebie there. So they still got some of these batteries and some of these deals here for the Makita or the Milwaukee. The buy one get one free. That's the brushed. They got the brushed and the fuel. So anyways, that's it for today. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next one.